Hey, my name is Aisha Shaki, and today I will be giving the demo for assignment 1 databases. So I have completed my all the daily, weekly exercises, and they are in my report. And for the assignment tasks, out of all queries, I've attempted 5 queries. So I'm gonna start with node 1. In total I've created 3 nodes. Node 1 is customer node. And it's been created. It has a load CSV command with headers, and then it's fetching the file. Then I'm using the merge command between customer ID and the country. Node 2 is for product. Again, load CSV command, and it has description, quantity, unit price. I've converted unit price to float, and quantity to integer. Meanwhile, I'll discuss node 3, which is order. So I'm going to paste it here. So node 3, which is order. Okay. Again, load CSV with headers from, and node 2 is created. And I'm using merge invoice number. Then date. Yeah, I've converted into epoch. I've used the epoch.date plugin basically. So, because we might need it in query number 4. Now I'm gonna jump to my constraints. So first constraint is on customer node, which is customer ID to be unique. Then next is on order, node order, which is invoice number, and that's also added. The third constraint I use is on product, which is the description. Now moving on to relationships. First, I've used 2 relationships. Number 1, okay, so this is number 1 relationship, which is again when I'm creating relationships, I'm again loading the CSV file. I'm using the command load CSV file. Then the file is being fetched. So, in this relationship, customer to product, I've used customer ID and product description, and then I'm merging both of them with C1 bot P1. Bot is the name of my relationship. Meanwhile, this relationship is being created. I would like to discuss the second relationship. I'll paste the code here. Okay, so the second relationship, again the load command, then match product, the description, then from the order I've used invoice number, and I've named my relationship invoice P1 to P1 invoice 01, and after that I'll jump to my queries. So the query number 1 is display all the meanwhile it's the relationship is being created. I paste the query and explain. So display all the countries the customer are from. So simple. I matched the customer node, C customer node, and I'm returning the customer ID and country. So C dot customer ID and country. Just waiting for the relationship to be created. Okay, it has been created. So I'm just gonna run this query. There we go. Then with the second query we have is display the number of different products. I'm calling the node product match p product, then return p dot stock code and p dot description. There we go. Remove them, and then they are show the most expensive product. Okay, so over here again, calling the node product p product, then return description and unit price, and I'm ordering it into a descending order and limiting it to 1, so I only get 1 out of it. Next one, third, which month did the customer spend most money? So I'm using two nodes here, product and order. And then what I've done is I've multiplied the product quantity and the product unit price, and then I'm returning the product of the quantity and unit price, the description, and invoice date from the node order. Then I'm ordering by the quantity into unit price product and limiting the output to 1. Then query number 7. Okay, so which customer spend the most money? So I'm using again two nodes: customer, product, customer ID, product quantity into unit price. So I'm returning C dot customer ID and and the product of quantity and unit price, and ordering it by the product of quantity and unit price, and limiting the output to 1. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.